Hi everyone, I'm Laura Lee with Equipment East, and today we're in Auburn, Massachusetts at the Equipment East facility. Come on. Equipment East provides sales, service, parts, and rentals. Hey, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Do you provide hydraulic hoses?
Yes, we do.
Awesome. Hey Chris, how are you?
Good.
I just have to have this hose replaced.
Yes, no problem. We can do that for you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi,
Your
all
hose
set?
is all set today. Can we
Awesome.
help you out with anything else?
Yeah, filters and fluids.
Yes, if you want, you can go see Russell in the front at the parts counter.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Chris.
Yep.
Equipment East has everything you need, from paints and fluids to saws, landscaping tools. We have compaction, and we have everything you need for asphalt paving.